we're going to learn how to do today is we're going to learn how to split our chords between hands. So it's going to be a very brief lesson, and I'm going to introduce you to the concept. And here's what we're going to do. We're going to start off with a basic C major 7 chord. But let's actually even step back a little bit before we get right into the chord. Let's go back to the basic scale, the do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Now what happens is in that scale, if we number our tones, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then we're back to 1 again. So here's what we're going to do. To play a C major 7 chord, we play 1, 3, 5, 7. Or I could play it in the left hand if I want. We still play 1, 3, 5, 7. That's my C major 7 chord. Now, that chord sounds okay, but it's not the most interesting sound that you can get. So let's make the sound a little bit more interesting. What I'm going to do is I'm going to split the chord between hands. So instead of doing this and getting this sound, I'm now going to get this sound. So you can see when I play my notes like this, it sounds a lot more interesting, a lot more soothing. So here's what I've done. In the traditional root position, I'm playing 1, 3, 5, and 7. What I'm doing when I do this is I'm playing 1, 5, 3, 7. So the left hand plays 1, 5, right hand plays 3, 7. So that's a nice voicing for the C major 7 chord. Now, let's do this. Let's also learn how to play an F major 7 chord. So here's my F scale. We number those tones 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then we're at 1. So to play an F major scale, we play 1, 3, 5, and 7 again. So the same numbers, just the notes change. Now, that's my F major 7 in root position. Let's make the sound more interesting. Let's do that same voicing we did before. So we have 1, 5, 3, 7. So again, it sounds a lot more soothing, a lot more interesting. Let's do this. Let's go from the C major 7. Remember our voicing, 1, 5, 3, 7. To the F major 7, same voicing, 1, 5, 3, 7. Now let's play it the old way in root position so you can hear the difference. So C major 7, F major 7. Voiced. So you can see it doesn't sound as cluttered, especially if we put a rhythm to it. So there you have it, an easy way to voice the major 7 chord. So if you want to find out more about voicing, I do go extensively into how to voice chords, all kinds of different chords in my Chord Voicings Phase series. There's a Chord Voicings Phase 1, Phase 2, and Phase 3. With the 4-note chords, the 7th chords that I was dealing with here, you'll find those in the Chord Voicings Phase 2. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed everything and have fun.